The Leticia Stauch trial, jurors heard an FBI agent's interrogation of her at the Myrtle Beach, South Carolina Police Department. Besides Andy Koen listening in for us in the courtroom, he's live outside the courthouse with an update tonight. Andy?
Yeah, Rob, and that recording was played as a part of the testimony of FBI agent John Grusing. District Attorney Michael Allen would play segments from that interrogation recording and then pause to ask questions of Grusing. And jurors earlier in the day also heard another recorded phone call between Leticia and Gannon's father, Al Stauch. In both of those recordings, Leticia confidently said she believed Gannon was alive. She also hinted to Agent Grusing that she had information that could help find Gannon, but that she needed protection from him. She never actually revealed much of what that information was. Now, Agent Grusing asked pointed questions about the night Gannon was last seen, about a fire that happened in the basement, about a pool of blood in Gannon's bedroom and blood that was splattered on the wall. Leticia continued to insist that she never hurt Gannon and that someone else was responsible, but she wouldn't say who. Agent Grusing asked how she was going to testify at trial that someone else was responsible when she wouldn't tell law enforcement who that was. Now, at one point, she wrote something on a notebook. District Attorney Allen asked Grusing about what she wrote.
What did she write down in your notebook?
I just remembered the first part, that the head wound was on Saturday.
You remember it saying, and had nothing to do with this?
Words to that effect, yes.
What was your take on that, that instead of saying it on the camera, she wanted to write it down in your notebook?
Well, whether it's by now, whether it's the argument that she didn't want to talk about the burns and even calling Gannon in as absent, you know, I wasn't pushing her. I would give her the opportunity to talk, and then she would not talk, so I would move on. And now that we're to the blood and what happened in the room, I think it was too difficult for her to say it out loud.
After a few hours into the interrogation, they left that room for another room in the police station where the conversation could not be recorded. Now, Grusing testified at that point. Leticia shared a story about a woman named Angel that she met through an app on her phone. She said the purpose was for a threesome. She also explained that Gannon suffered that head injury when they were pushing two beds together. They later would return back to the interrogation room, and then jurors saw more of the video there, but Leticia really didn't give many additional details about Angel at that point. Reporting live in downtown Colorado Springs, Andy Koen, News 5.